In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a spreadsheet in Quip. First, open your browser and go to quip.com, then sign in to your account. Quip runs right in the browser, so there's nothing extra to install, and once you're signed in, you'll land on your workspace where you can create and organize your content. To start a new file, look for the New or Compose button, usually at the top right. Click that, and you'll be asked what type of file you want to create. If you choose Spreadsheet, Quip opens a standalone sheet that's ready for data, calculations, and formatting. Great if your work is primarily numbers. If you choose Document, you're creating a regular text doc, and you can still add a spreadsheet inside that document later. This is perfect when you want narrative, notes, or instructions alongside your table of data. If you go the document route, inserting a spreadsheet is simple. While editing the doc, place your cursor exactly where you want the sheet to appear. Then click Insert in the toolbar and choose Spreadsheet. Quip embeds a fully working spreadsheet right in the document, so you can type, calculate, and format without leaving the page. Entering data works like any other spreadsheet tool. Click a cell and start typing. Press Tab to move right, or Enter to move down as you go. If you need to calculate, begin a formula with an equal sign, like each sum A2 A10, to total a column. You can reference cells, combine operations, and build formulas just as you would expect. To add rows or columns, use the controls in the toolbar above the sheet. Quip makes it easy to expand your table as your data grows. You'll also find helpful spreadsheet features in the toolbar. Use formatting to make your data clear, bold headers, adjust alignment, and switch number formats for dates, currency, or percentages. If you're working with long lists, freeze the top row so your headers stay visible while you scroll. This keeps your context intact as you analyze. For calculations, open the Functions menu or start typing a function name after the equal sign and let autocomplete help you pick the right one. If you make a mistake, Undo is available, and Quip saves your work automatically as you go, so there's no need to worry about losing changes. That's it. Whether you're building a dedicated spreadsheet or embedding one inside a document for context, Quip gives you a clean, familiar set of tools to get your data in, format it clearly, and calculate what you need.